Welcome to my studio. My name is Joanna Couch. I am the soap gal. First of all, I want to apologize that I missed the video on Sunday, and I know I've missed a few other videos. It's just this is the season of natural skincare products and candles, and the majority of all of your sales happens like this quarter. I've been very, very busy. Darren, myself, my mom. You can follow us on our Instagram feed, the soap gal, and I kind of show you more behind the scenes of what we're doing on a daily basis. So if you want to follow me there, you will see what we're doing on a daily basis. But I think that we need to scale down to 1 day a week, because I know I can do that. And I want your referral. Would you prefer that to be on a Wednesday or on a Sunday? Would you like me to kind of do, some business tips and then do a make it? I want to know what you want to learn, what you want, how you want to grow. I want to be here for you. So today, if you can notice, in the past I talked about embeds and how Dan Casey from Green Flash Industries is loaning his machine to us. Guess what? I got the machine! So he's loaning it to us, and we are going to be making embeds. And because I do live in Arizona, this is the season of weddings. So many people get married in October, November, December, January, just because our weather is amazing. The heat finally broke. So I'm going to show you how I make little wedding favors out of my soap scrubs. Yes, out of my soap scrubs. So we're going to be using his machine, and let's get right to it. Like I said, Dan Casey from Green Flash Industries, which I'll put all the information on the bottom of this video. He's the inventor of this small mill. So basically what this is a small mill. And how this machine works is that you put your soap scraps or your noodles into the machine, and then the auger presses it, and this is hot, and then it comes out in that shape. So let's get the machine on. I know it's going to be kind of loud, but let's turn it on. Oh, that's turning it off. let's turn on the motor. Woo! Okay, so we're going to feed the machine. It's hungry. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with these. Let's cut this. And I will show you how I'm going to make this into paper soap. So now that we got our embeds or our soaps all SFIC melt and pour soap. So this is SFIC melt and pour soap, and what I did is I chopped it into little pieces, and then I have it in this pot with some purple mica and lavender essential oil. And so my melt and pour is already done. But first, before we do that, we're going to take our embed and we're going to cut it. Soap scrubs again, and then we're going to cut them again because we don't need them this large. So let's grab the size we want. Let's do another one. So after we cut all of our soaps to the size that we want them to be, next step is we're going to take them, we're going to make sure our sides and our edges are pretty. This is a special day, so we're going to take our part, we're going to dip it into the melt and pour. So now that I dipped it, this is the glue, and we're going to stick it into the botanicals, the lavender buds. And then we're going to let it dry. And we're going to do that again and again. So let's do that one more time. Let's stick the soap into the melt and pour. That's the glue. Put it into the botanicals. So we have our soaps, and then we're also going to be making lip balms that says meant to be, and that right there is our wedding favor or bridal shower favor or just a beautiful little Mother's Day gift. There's so many ways that you can give out these small little sample soaps. And other things you could use on as toppings is you can use peppermint or rosebuds or calendula, coconut. There's just so many different botanicals or dry fruit that you could use as decorations. Another way that you can do it, if you don't have a mold to make a heart or you can just take a normal bar of soap or another small round mold or a cookie cutter and cut out your bar into whatever design you want it to be. So I hope that it showed you what you can do with small little samples. This is also a great little, stocking stuffer or just a nice little token gift. I hope this helps, and I need to know, am I coming back on Sunday or am I coming back on Wednesday? So you can let me know which day you prefer and what topics you'd like me to talk about or what you'd like for me to show you to do. I think next Wednesday, if it is on a Wednesday, I'm going to talk about lotion or lip balm or salve, or what do you want me to talk about? Bath bombs? Bath soap? There's so many different topics. And I can't wait to share it with all of my Sud sisters and brothers. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to visiting again soon. I'm Joanna Couch, the Soap Gal.